Hey guys, my Mavic really sounds like an angry bee, right? Before you comment, it's really not because of the carbon blades, it's because of the RunCam is directly attached to the body, and somehow the anti-shock system is really fighting those micro vibrations of the rotors, and yeah, it gives it a crispy, interesting kind of sound. I will explore different mounting options though. Finally, this replacement unit arrived and it works great. Thank you very much for sending it over. After this first flight now, I cannot see any problems with this Mavic. It's working like a charm. It's really great. It's launching from my hand, it's coming back, doing exactly what I'm telling it to do. Just after such a ghost flight with the IMU error, it takes a few flights to win 100% confidence again in the system. So thank you very much guys for watching. I got some subscribers and likes from you, a lot of comments and support. That's really great, I really appreciate that. So hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for much more content to come. Actually guys, this channel is meant to be all about tech. I'm talking about energy, Tesla, Apple, and the entire industry. I really love videography as a hobby, and because of the recent events the channel is a little bit drone heavy. But please, if you have any great ideas all about tech, what you want to discuss, talk about, what you want me to talk about, let me know. Hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Have a great day, stay safe, and see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the flight and thank you for watching guys.